Hello, garden lovers! Welcome back to KiraStyle Garden. Spring is finally here, but you do not need a massive budget to make your outdoor space look like a luxury retreat. Today, I am showing you how to turn everyday recycled materials into stunning high-end garden art. Let's breathe new life into your fence and garden together right now. Look at how these weathered pieces of driftwood tell a story, floating so gracefully against the fence. By simply tying them with natural jute rope and adding glass jars, you create a living gallery. The way those fresh spring blooms catch the morning light is just magical. It is a rustic, soulful way to bring new life to your garden walls while keeping things light, airy, and completely unique to your own style. There is something so timeless about the circle, a symbol of the seasons returning. We have taken these old, cold iron hoops and warmed them up with thick, textured twine and delicate spring flowers. As they hang there, swaying ever so slightly in the breeze, they add this sophisticated vintage charm to the garden. It is simple, it is elegant, and it feels like a warm welcome to the new season. Don't you just love finding beauty in the unexpected? These vintage metal ladles have found a new purpose, holding tiny, precious succulents right at eye level. By staggering them at different heights along your fence, you create this wonderful sense of movement. It is a clever, whimsical touch that proves you do not need a lot of space to grow something truly beautiful and full of personality. Let's add a little celebration to the garden path. This bunting is made from leftover fabric scraps, braided together with tiny bunches of dried flowers. It is soft, it is colorful, and it brings a playful, festive energy to the backyard. As the fabric ripples in the wind, it reminds us that beauty is often found in the small, handmade details that turn a simple space into a home. If you are working with a smaller garden, going vertical is a total game changer. These upcycled wooden crates create a lush, living wall that feels deep and abundant. Seeing the green ivy and vibrant geraniums spilling out from the natural wood grain, it just feels so rich and grounded. It is the perfect way to add structure and a burst of life to an empty fence or a quiet corner. There is a quiet, meditative joy in painting stones. These smooth river rocks, tucked neatly at the base of the fence, act like little gems hidden in the grass. Each hand-painted petal and bright color adds a pop of surprise to the garden floor. It is a lovely, grounding way to lead the eye along your garden's edge, making every single step feel intentional and filled with bright, artistic energy. Imagine the sun hitting these bottles just right, sending tiny prisms of light dancing across your garden. These suspended glass chimes are more than just decoration. They are instruments of light. They capture the brilliance of the spring sun, reflecting it back in 1,000 different directions. It is an effortless way to add a bit of sparkle and a dreamlike atmosphere to your outdoor sanctuary this year. Look closely. Can you see them? These delicate wire butterflies look as if they have just landed for a moment of rest. Hand-sculpted and light as air, they add a touch of fine, artistic detail to the wooden posts. The way their shadows play against the grain as the sun moves is just stunning. It is a subtle, sophisticated nod to the life and transformation that spring brings to us all. There is an incredible honesty in using materials straight from the earth. By weaving these flexible willow branches into a natural lattice, we are creating a bridge between our garden and the wild. It provides the perfect textured home for climbing vines to reach toward the sky. It feels organic, it feels sturdy, and it brings a beautiful raw texture to the garden that only natural wood can provide. Who says frames are only for indoors? By bringing these vintage frames outside and painting them in soft pastel hues, we are literally framing the beauty of nature. These little wall-mounted shelves hold our favorite blooms like tiny pieces of living art. It turns a plain garden wall into a gallery of growth, making the space feel curated, thoughtful, and oh so inviting for any guest who wanders through. To finish our tour, we have these gorgeous macramé lanterns. The intricate white knots create such a soft, boho chic vibe against the lush greenery. Even without a light inside, the way the daylight filters through the patterns is breathtaking. They hang like quiet ornaments, adding a sense of peace and handcrafted luxury to your seating area. It is the perfect finishing touch for a garden that is meant for relaxation. It is truly amazing how a little creativity and some reclaimed wood or old rope can completely transform a small backyard. From those floating driftwood holders to the elegant macramé lanterns, your garden is now ready to shine this spring. If these ideas inspired you, please hit that like button, subscribe to KiraStyle Garden for more DIY magic, and comment below telling me which project was your favorite.